I found TC's Fully Loaded. I've been following them on Facebook and trying to find them every weekend. I finally was able to find them down by the river market today at an art fair. And I am so ready to get into these potatoes. They have crawfish, shrimp, chicken, burnt ends, everything that you can imagine on a potato. Creamy, cheesy, saucy. I'm ready for it. All right, hungry people, I just put my order in. I ordered the Nola. It has crawfish and Dewey sausage, shrimp, sauce. I'm ready to get into it. I also ordered the KC with the burnt ends. You know we got to represent for Kansas City barbecue, and I'm really excited to try it.
What's up, man? It's TC's Fully Loaded, best potatoes in the world. Come check us out, man.
This is the KC brisket, cheese, barbecue sauce, green onions. I love green onions on my food. I want to make sure I get everything on my fork. Potato, meat, and all the toppings. This was so worth the wait. So worth the wait. Everything that you would imagine that you ever wanted on a potato, this is it. The brisket is tender and flavored. The cheese is melty. The sauce adds just that sweet and savoriness that you need. Good. Very good. Okay. I don't even think I need that. This is the Nola. Like I said before, shrimp and Dewey sausage, crawfish, some kind of Cajun cream. I don't know what it is, but it looked fire. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it, but take my word for it. I'm ready to dig into this. Make sure I'm gonna have to take like 3 bites. A bite with each meat. Cause it's not little stingy pieces of meat. Like that's a big piece of sausage. They not stingy with the meat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That sauce is everything. It's creamy, seasoned well, and it has like a real spicy after kick. But it's not overpowering spice. Like it's just the right amount. This is a bite with the shrimp. To perfection. It's not too chewy. It's cooked perfectly. Woo. Alright. I'm gonna try a bite with the crawfish. And the green onions just add like to the flavor in both potatoes. The barbecue one and the Cajun one. Crawfish. I've been waiting so long to catch up with this food truck, and it was so worth the wait. Everything is good. I don't have anything to complain about. And look at the potatoes. flavors. They had lemonade and peach lemonade. I just want to try it, even though like I review the food, but the juice is everything, especially when you get ready to wash that deliciousness down. Okay. Okay. Not too sweet, not too tangy. That's good. You can smell the peach before you even get your lips on the bottle. And it's so good. It's so good. TC's Fully Loaded is alright with me. They got good food, good hood food. And I'm glad that you tuned in to Hood Hops. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share it. Other people want to eat too.
Alright, TC's Fully Loaded, known as Potato Man. You guys can find us at 8710 Blue Ridge in Raytown every Thursday evening. And then we're also all around the metro. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TC's Fully Loaded, and you'll be able to see where we post up at. And Crossroads a lot at Main Mob as well. So yeah, our top 3 potatoes are Mr. Krabs, Nola, KC. Those are our top 3. Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs like the #1 seller for sure. It's like our heavyweight champion of the world, we say. Yeah, best potatoes in the world.
Yeah, there we go. All right, appreciate you.
Appreciate it.